welcome to Ditzy Beauty, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get this simple 4th of July look. So, okay, it's not that simple. The hardest part in this is probably the winged liner. I've been leaving this on, yeah. Okay, well anyways, I am going to be taking, for my eyeshadows, hold on, I got stuff rolling away, the Pure Cosmetics Festival palette. I'm going to be using the color Epic and the color Hidden Desert, and I'm also using Psychedelic, yeah, I think I said that right. And then the other color palette I'm using is the Main Squeeze palette for this look. So first off, I'm going to be taking my brush, or actually I'm going to be priming my lid. I'm going to be using my MAC paint pot. Like so. Next, we are going to be going in with a flat brush, and we're going to be going in with the color Epic, which is the lightest out of those browns I just showed you. There's only 2 browns and a gold. So out of the browns, it's the lightest shade and it's Epic. And I'm just going to be applying this into my crease. Oh, there's a little bit of red still on that brush, my bad. Some Epic. So there is Epic, and then the next shade I am going to be taking is Hidden Desert. And I'm just going to be applying that just over onto the crease line itself before I start to blend. So you should have something like that. Looks like it's 2 colors. Then you're going to take your fluffy brush and you're going to blend those 2 colors together. A 4th color out of this palette. I'm also using the color 24K Magic in this. So once you have it blended, I'm going to show you guys, I just used these 2 colors. Next 2 colors I'm going to be using is Psychedelic right here and 24 Karat, or 24 Karat Magic, whatever you want to call it. The gold sparkles. So I'm going to be taking my flat brush for this, and I'm going to be just tabbing it onto my brush. And I'm just going to place this down all over my lid. This is basically just helping the gold have a gold shimmer underneath, so it's nothing like, if something does poke through, it's not noticeable. Does that make sense? Got some on my shirt. I'm going to apply 24 Karat Magic with my finger because these are such a sticky glitter that they are best applied when you're using a finger. And I'm just going to place that on top of where I had placed my gold shadow. And I am applying this by patting because I feel like when you smudge it, it actually just moves on your finger and just stays. And a little patchy right there and there. That looks good. Okay. See? Wipe my finger off as much as possible. Next step is the eyeliner. And it is so difficult. I am using my NYX Vivid Brights and Vivid Sapphire. And it is a different applicator. It's not my felt tip. I love felt tip pens, but for this look I needed a color eyeliner, so I went and found this. It is a cheaply priced one, And it seemed to work great on this side. It was just very hard because I'm not used to a brush tip. I'm used to my felt tip, but that's okay. So you're just gonna gently just dab this on slowly. I did also notice that it takes a little bit of time to dry, so bear with me. That is like the best tip I got so far. I'm not even gonna try to fix that, or even, it's semi-even with my other eye, but I'm just so nervous to like really go in there and try to make it even more wingy. But I like it, and it's gonna do just great for today, so I'm gonna leave it. The next step is dipping your brush back in, and now doing your lower lash line, which you can see me. There we go. Oh, my eye's watering. Alright, that I think is the closest I'm gonna get to my lash line. Oh gosh. I'm gonna take something and just gently wait it out. Woo! So that is that. Next, I'm going to go in with my white NYX False White, and it's in Honeydew, and it's just a pencil liner. To brighten your eyes up. Oh man, this liquid blue is scaring me. Okay. Dropping the lid. Alright, next I'm going to be taking this brush and I'm going to be smudging a little bit of red right underneath where I just drawed the blue under my eyelid, or under my, right here. I'm just gonna try to connect that as much as possible. So yeah, and for the red in that main squeeze palette, I did like it's hot because it's the matte red in there. And yeah, that's all it is to create this 4th of July look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I don't know why I'm trying to end this video right now because I still got to put the full face on, and then I'll come back and show you guys the results. So I will be right back. Alright, so I'm back. I just finished doing my makeup, and this is the finished look. I paired it with a dark red lip. You could also probably do a really bright red lip, but I couldn't find my bright red lip, so I went with a dark red lip. So this is the complete look. Yeah. So, hope you guys enjoyed watching this 4th of July video number 2. So, tomorrow will be a whole nother one, so stay tuned and keep watching. Thanks. Bye.